Hello everybody, I'm Rusty. I want to welcome you to Island Breeze Tropicals. So it's Tuesday and we're out here in the Tangle. Must mean it's Tangle Tuesday. So you know what? The sun is shining, the island breeze is blowing. It's time that you and I got growing. Come on, let's have some fun. And why don't we take a tour of the Tangle on Tuesday? So, okay guys, it's Tuesday, and this is the first installment of Tangle Tuesday. Now, we're not going to do this every Tuesday. I'm thinking maybe once a month. I'd like to take you on a tour of the Tangle and show you some of the things that I have growing here. I've got a lot of bromeliads, but man does not live by bromeliads alone, and neither do women. But I'm going to show you how well bromeliads go with other kinds of plants. So, why don't we take a tour through the Tangle and take a look? Come on, let's have some fun. So the Tangle has gone through some changes. There's not as much canopy. We have a couple of videos about what happened, but it was a hurricane and that was 10 months ago and almost forgotten, and things have grown. All of these are new installs, and this is a brand new installation of an Ichmia Harveys Pride, and the sun is just coming up. I hope it makes some nice lighting for this. And as you can see, there is an inflow up there. Now the inflorescence is old, and this Harveys Pride is already growing a pup. And in time, it will colonize this wonderful palm. Let me show you the crown of the palm. It's really cool. So this is called a Vicia ericina. It is a palm, and we'll come back on down here and show you how well this bromeliad grows on this beautiful palm that I have growing here. This is the time of day that I really love to take a stroll on my day off and look at the bromeliads that are growing in the trees here in the Tangle. And again, all these guys are brand new installs. Now this is an Ichmia Louies Pride, and as you can see, it has a pup. And that pup is going to produce another pup and another, and then it will be firmly attached. You can see that there are zip ties there. And sometimes all you have to do is look up and you can see beauty. But something I like about bromeliads is that their epiphytic qualities go very, very well with aeroids. And in some instances, I just let the bromeliads and the aeroids and the orchids grow along with other epiphytes. And this is an African oil palm. And I think orchids and bromeliads growing together, whether you have them outside or inside, really is a beautiful fit. Just a really nice match of different architecture and colors. And I can tell you here in the Tangle, they both go really, really well together. So this is a Monstera deliciosa. They are called borsigiana because they are a smaller cultivar of deliciosa, and as you can see, that's a really cool plant. Take a look. And if you come on up here, there are bromeliads right above it. Let me zoom on in here because these are minis, and these are on a palm that is called Copernicia albo. And take a look. I think these minis look great installed on this palm trunk. And for all of my friends who live in the temperate zones where you can get some frost, there's no reason why you can't take some bromeliads, in this case mini bromeliads, and just temporarily tie them in your trees during your growing season. Come on, there's nothing wrong with having tropic envy. I've got it, and I'm not in the tropics either, but I just think it would be such a cool look, no matter where you live, to just install them in trees temporarily until your winter comes. But I'm not going to leave you out if you don't live in the subtropics like I do. Look, for all of my pals that live in non-frost-free zones, well, you can do the same kind of look with your bromeliads and other plants. Right here, this is the plant wall, and you've seen this a couple of times, and we switched the plants out. And there is an Ichmia tortuga right there. And that is a Monstera called Thai Constellation. And there is a little Tunisia right there and a Neoregelia Martine. And all of those plants grow very well together. And here in the Tangle, that's what I love to do. I love to mix my bromeliads with other plants, and you will too. So anyway, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed taking this short tour of the Tangle. Now, again, we're not going to do this every week, and we're not going to be doing it on Fridays. Friday is still reserved for our bromeliad get-together, and I hope you'll stay tuned for that. So no matter where you are, I hope your sun is shining. I hope you have an island breeze blowing. I know that you and I need to keep growing and have lots of fun. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.